What's up? Thank you for tuning back in with me. If this is your first time, what's up? As you can tell by the title, we are making some guacamole, and these are all the things you'll need. You'll need some chopped onions to make the job easier. You need some cilantro, limes, avocados, and tomatoes if you like. So first I put my onions in, red onions. I call them purple onions because they're purple. And then you're going to take your avocados. I'm not the best at picking avocados, so if you have any tips, let me know. And as you can see, the fork was not working, so I did grab a whisk. This is a little pro tip when making guacamole. Don't be struggling, work smarter, not harder. And I'm just smashing the avocados up nice and fine. You don't want any chunks or lumps unless you like that. And now I'm just putting my tomatoes in. My boyfriend doesn't like a lot of tomatoes, so I just scooped out the middle so it won't be all soggy. And this is the finished product after mixing everything together. Thank you so much for tuning on. And I did pair this with some taco salad. That's what we call it. I did pair it with that, and it was delicious, y'all. It's so simple, so easy to make, and you only need one lime for this. Only one. Thank you for tuning in.